Did you know that Nvidia, a company you might associate mostly with video games, is now worth more than Disney and Coca-Cola combined? Astonishing, isn't it? What began as a humble video game graphics company has now burgeoned into a technology behemoth, dwarfing some of the most established brands on the globe. Nvidia's journey has been nothing short of remarkable. In the early days, they were the wizards behind the curtain, powering the spectacular visuals in your favorite video games. But today, they've transcended the gaming world, leading the charge in the broader technology industry. Their unexpected rise in valuation has left many of us bewildered. It's not every day that a company leaps from making video game graphics to being worth more than a Magic Kingdom and the world's most popular fizzy drink combined. But how did Nvidia climb to such heights? Let's delve into the history. Nvidia didn't start as a multi-billion-dollar company. In fact, it had quite humble beginnings. Our story begins in 1993, in the heart of Silicon Valley, where three electrical engineers decided to pool their talents. Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Preem were not just colleagues, but visionaries who saw a future that others couldn't. They formed a little startup known to the world today as Nvidia. The name Nvidia, derived from the Latin word invidia, means envy. Envy, as in the envy of their competitors and the envy of the tech industry, they hope to create with their groundbreaking products. In the early days, Nvidia wasn't trying to reinvent the wheel. Their focus was on one thing: developing graphics hardware for personal computers. It might seem like a modest goal today, but back then, it was a brave new world. The idea of accelerating the graphics capabilities of PCs was an ambitious one, a daring move that would later redefine the tech industry. As the trio worked tirelessly in their modest office, they probably didn't realize just how revolutionary their work would become. They were just three engineers with a shared passion trying to make their mark in a rapidly growing tech industry, but they had something that set them apart, a unique vision. They saw the potential of graphics processing units, or GPUs, long before many others in their field. They knew that the future of computing wasn't just about crunching numbers faster. It was about making those numbers create something beautiful, something real. They believed in a future where computers could create worlds as rich and detailed as our own, and so they set out to turn that dream into a reality. Nvidia's first product, the NV1, was released in 1995. It was a graphics card, but it was also a statement of intent. A commitment to a future where graphics weren't just an afterthought, but a key part of the computing experience. Little did they know, this focus would set the stage for their future success. The year 1999 marked a significant turning point in Nvidia's journey. It was in this year that the world was introduced to the GeForce 256, Nvidia's very first graphics processing unit, or GPU. This was more than just a product launch, it was a revolution in the gaming industry. Imagine a time when computer graphics were rudimentary and the gaming experience was limited by the capabilities of the hardware. That was the landscape before the GeForce 256. This GPU was no ordinary piece of hardware, it was a game changer, quite literally. It was the world's first GPU, a single chip processor with integrated transform lighting, triangle setup clipping, and rendering engines that could process a minimum of 10 million polygons per second. This was a big deal, a really big deal. This revolutionary product didn't just influence the way games were designed and played. It transformed the entire industry. With the GeForce 256, games became more than just pastimes. They evolved into immersive experiences, with lifelike graphics and smooth gameplay that was nothing short of extraordinary. This GPU was the key that unlocked a new era of gaming, an era where the only limit was the imagination of the game developers. The GeForce 256 put Nvidia on the map. It propelled the company into the spotlight, establishing Nvidia as a critical player in the tech industry. This was the product that laid the groundwork for Nvidia's future successes, setting the stage for the company's dominance in the GPU market. But the story doesn't end there. The launch of the GeForce 256 was just the beginning. It was the first step in a journey that would see Nvidia push the boundaries of what was possible time and time again. This was a company that was not content with just being a participant in the tech industry. Nvidia wanted to lead, to innovate, and to shape the future. But Nvidia didn't stop there. They had their sights set on even greater accomplishments. While Nvidia had made a name in the gaming world, they were about to break into a whole new realm: artificial intelligence. As the mid-2010s rolled around, Nvidia began to pivot, setting their sights far beyond the gaming industry. They recognized the potential of their graphics processing units, not just for rendering lifelike landscapes in video games, but for something much more profound. They saw a future where their GPUs could power the rapidly developing field of artificial intelligence. In this new era of technology, data became the new oil, and Nvidia's GPUs became the new drill, extracting insights from vast oceans of information. These GPUs were uniquely suited to the task. Their parallel processing capabilities, honed by years of rendering complex video game graphics, made them ideal for the heavy computational demands of AI algorithms. You see, AI and deep learning involve complex mathematical computations and the training of neural networks, tasks that require immense computational power. Traditional CPUs, with their sequential processing, struggled with the demands of this new era. But Nvidia's GPUs, with their hundreds, sometimes thousands of cores, were perfectly equipped to handle these tasks. As a result, Nvidia's GPUs became the heart of many AI applications, helping to drive breakthroughs in fields as diverse as autonomous vehicles, healthcare, and even climate modeling. The company's GPUs powered some of the world's most advanced supercomputers, enabling scientists to solve complex problems and make predictions with unprecedented accuracy. This shift towards AI and deep learning wasn't just good for science and technology, it was also fantastic for Nvidia's bottom line. As demand for their GPUs soared, so too did their stock price. The company's worth skyrocketed, reaching heights that would have been unimaginable just a few years earlier. But as impressive as this growth was, Nvidia wasn't content to rest on their laurels. They continued to innovate, pushing the boundaries of what was possible with AI and deep learning. This venture into AI caused Nvidia's worth to skyrocket, but they were just getting started. Nvidia is no longer just a gaming company, they're shaping the future of technology. As we venture into the future, Nvidia is making waves in areas beyond gaming. The company is at the forefront of autonomous vehicles, data centers, and professional visualization, sectors that are set to redefine our world in the coming years. Let's start with autonomous vehicles. Nvidia's drive platform is powering the revolution in self-driving cars, combining deep learning, sensor fusion, and surround vision to create safer, smarter vehicles. The future of transportation is looking increasingly autonomous, and Nvidia is right there, leading the charge. Next, we have data centers. Nvidia's data center GPUs are not only accelerating the world's highest-performing supercomputers, but also empowering enterprises to drive business forward with accelerated performance and AI capabilities. As we move into a more data-driven world, Nvidia's technologies are set to play a pivotal role. On the professional visualization front, Nvidia's technology is transforming industries. From film and television to healthcare and architecture, Nvidia's advanced rendering and AI technologies are helping professionals create stunning, immersive visuals. One of the most significant steps Nvidia has taken recently is the acquisition of ARM Limited, a leading semiconductor company. This move is set to bolster Nvidia's position in the tech world, allowing the company to tap into ARM's extensive ecosystem and accelerate its AI innovation. The acquisition is a clear sign of Nvidia's ambition to become a dominant force in the global tech landscape, not just in gaming but across a range of sectors. It shows Nvidia's commitment to driving the future of technology, from AI and deep learning to autonomous machines and professional visualization. So as we look to the future, it's clear that Nvidia is not just a gaming company anymore. They're a technology powerhouse, a pioneer in AI and machine learning, and a driving force in the autonomous vehicle revolution. Indeed, Nvidia's journey from a small gaming hardware company to a tech giant is nothing short of remarkable. From a small startup in 1993 to a tech behemoth in 2024, Nvidia's journey has been an exciting ride. The company we know today, a dominant force in the world of technology, started from humble beginnings. Over the years, Nvidia's relentless innovation has revolutionized the gaming industry with its game-changing graphics processors and systems on a chip. But Nvidia didn't stop there. The tech titan expanded its horizons beyond gaming, venturing into fields like artificial intelligence, autonomous vehicles, and more, thereby leaving an indelible mark on the tech landscape. As we ventured into the future of Nvidia, we saw how the company continues to push boundaries, promising more innovation and growth. The story of Nvidia is a testament to the power of vision, relentless innovation, and the courage to venture into the unknown. As we look forward to what Nvidia will do next, one thing is certain: they're not done surprising us yet.